If you are brand new with your cleaning business, or you've been doing it for a little while and you're not really growing, chances are you are making one of the rookie mistakes that myself and my wife did in the very beginning, and I want you to stop immediately. This video is going to show you what those mistakes are and how to avoid them. What's up? Mike Mack here, founder of AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, back with another video. This time we are talking about rookie mistakes. Now, let me tell you something. I was the king of rookie mistakes. I'm gonna share a little bit about that, but seriously, this video is about avoiding those things, and if you are, there's no worry about it, right? Because you're in the beginning and we all make those mistakes. And my goal with this video is to help you avoid said mistakes, because the last thing I want for you to do, besides not growing, is maybe you're the person who hasn't started yet and you're afraid of making one of these mistakes. So it's my belief that if you're armed with this information, you will be able to sidestep the things that I was not able to sidestep in the beginning. So let's get to it. All right, so that first rookie mistake that was costing me a lot in the beginning was no focus. So my eye was not on the prize, so to speak. And my wife and I had two different ideas of what we kind of wanted with our cleaning service, because I was thinking about just making as much money as fast as possible. And my wife was thinking about the long-term effect with these types of clients. Because when you land a client in the commercial game, they're going to be with you for a very, very long time. I mean, it could be even decades. So since we both owned the company and we had that disconnect, it was causing some friction in a way that we were getting clients, hiring cleaners. An example for that was I just wanted any client as fast as possible, and then when we put a cleaner there, I just wanted any cleaner. It didn't even matter to me, because I'm like, churn and burn, baby. Another account, another cleaner, let's go. So when it would be my turn to like train a cleaner, I'm telling them like, nah, it's no big deal, just do a little here, do a little there, and it's okay, it's such an easy, no big deal job, and blah, 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 blah. And then when I passed that cleaner off to Jess to learn her side of the account, she would be in there like talking about the quality, talking about our core values as a company, talking about the importance of showing up for your clients, showing up for the people, getting them to see that you are trustworthy and us as a company have gotten their back. Okay, I'm actually embarrassed, but that was my take. I mean, that's how I felt at like 25 years old. I wasn't thinking long game, and you know what? I wasn't thinking about my clients. That was a rookie mistake. Jess's way won. Jess won, Mike 0. Let's get to the next thing. The next rookie mistake I personally made was no contact. Now, the only way to truly automate your company, I'm serious, like the only way to get your work hours to down to like maybe 5 to 10 hours per week, a lot of people think that's impossible, but with delegation, it's just logical. But anyway, I was so hell-bent on automation that I wanting to step too far back, right? Too far away from customers. And you know what? When you do that, when there is not a strong bond there with you and your clients, all it takes is just one of your cleaners knocking over a vase or vase, whatever you call it, on the floor, and then all of a sudden they're like, that's it, I'm done with this cleaning company. Now, that's a bit extreme, and that doesn't happen often, but if there's a weak relationship there, I mean, something as little as your cleaner breaking something or a money dispute at the end of the year, these things could get you to lose clients, and it's hard to automate if you're losing clients, wouldn't you agree? So the best thing you could do is avoid my rookie mistake, and in the beginning, like I said, I was just thinking about the next client, the next client, the next client, and because of that, in the early days, we lost clients. We lost clients pretty consistently, even though the cleaning wasn't bad. So this is a people business. If you truly want to automate, I know it sounds counterintuitive, but you need to show your clients that you actually care about them. I know that part sounds stupid, but I was 25, okay? Show your clients that you care about them, and I promise you, it is going to make you bulletproof with them, and you will keep them for years and years and years. Let's get to the next thing. Okay, at last, the next rookie mistake. Okay, this one I'm actually proud about. I'm proud that myself, Jess, none of the team, we have never made this mistake, but it is a common mistake I see out there, so it is important to put it in this video, and that is mistreating your team. May sound obvious, but you know what? I think it may surprise you to know that most people think that just because you're nice to your cleaners, they associate that with not mistreating them, and that's not the truth. See, mistreating your cleaners is not you being mean to them. I mean, yeah, you should never do that. I'm talking about other ways of doing it without you even knowing. And one of those ways is you underbid accounts and you don't pay them what they're truly worth. Another way of doing that is not giving them the structure they need to see how to get from starter pay to where they can max out their cleaner rate. Another way of mistreating your cleaners is not being there to support them. I can go on and on and on. It really is important that when you build this company, you're very intentional about the type of experience you want for both your clients. Your cleaners are your work team. That's your squad. You really have to let them know how valuable they are. That's one. But two, put them in a position to succeed. You do that, you'll be surprised at how fast you go from like cleaners leaving you constantly to all of a sudden cleaners never leaving. So again, I'm happy to say I never made that mistake, but it is common. Avoid those mistakes. But if you avoid these rookie mistakes, then there is nothing stopping you or anyone else going from quote unquote 0 to hero. So if you got value from this video and you want more on growing your cleaning business, then check out this video. For everyone else, peace out.